Yo, Siri, tell me the sickest sights in Vegas.
Searching for the sickest sights in Las Vegas.
You have to see the iconic Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas sign. Make sure to go for a spin past the world-famous sphere. It's time to hit the Las Vegas Strip.
Yo, Siri, are there any noise limits on the strip?
There's only one way to find out.
Alright, well, let's send it.
Oh shit, this is insane.
That's nothing. Where can I give these guys a real show?
There's an F1 track nearby.
Good luck getting in. Wow, that's one way to hit your lucky numbers.
That was a sick way to see Las Vegas. Can we do that again, please?